Hey guys, so today finally my Atomy products have arrived. It took so long to arrive and I'm so excited to open this, and I was waiting for so long. So now we are finally going to unbox it and see all the products which are inside hiding. So let's unbox it. So I have finally removed my all the products, and here we have different products. So first we have Atomy hair tonic. Here we have hair essential oil, and here we have the BB cream which you have to use in very small quantity. And here we have the toothbrush. Here we have all the pastes, and here we have the skincare. Now guys, I'm going to unbox the BB cream and the fame set. So first we'll unbox the BB cream. This BB cream I'm going to apply every day, and the fame set also I will apply every day. So this is how the BB cream looks, and we have to use it in very small quantity. We don't have to take it too much. So this is our BB cream. Now I'm going to unbox the Atomy fame set. It contains of 5 creams. So first we'll open this. Now let's just remove the head cap. So here we have this card type something. Let's keep it aside, we'll read it later. So here we have the Atomy lotion, and here we have eye cream. Here is nutrition cream, and here we have the Atomy cream, and this one too, toner. So guys, these are all the Atomy creams as you can see over here. So this also you have to use in very small quantity. You don't have to take so much. And I'm just waiting for this. I'm just waiting to use this product, and I'm so excited to use. And we will use this product and we'll check the results. So we'll meet you guys in the next video. Thank you.